Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a melting text on CapCut. So here I've already import a video and I'm going to just click on text and add the text. Here just type in for example like this, and then click on the check icon, and then here click on style and change the font. Go to English and change the font into feature. Okay, find the feature here, click on the feature, and then go to style and change it into red to more dramatic melting text, for example like this, and then click on the check icon, or you can also add some animations in here. For example, I want to add this animation, so just adjust it and click on the check icon, and then it will go like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can make a melting text in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.